avoir, faire and aller. In present tense, part 2. Bonjour. Let's have a quick recap of the part 1. Allez-y.
Je fais, je vais.
Notez bien le S final. Mais attention, j'ai ne prend pas de S. Regardez la différence.
Être, avoir, faire, aller. Bravo tout le monde. Être.
Alright, let's move on to the part 2. Let's draw the next row. Let's fill up the first cell with 2. Let's draw the next rows and fill their first cells with the subject pronoms.
Let's remember the rule. In the present tense, all French verbs for il or elle end in e, n, t, except for être, avoir, faire, and aller, which end in o, n, t.
So, let's fill up the last row's cells with
O, n, t. Let's look closely at the verbs être, avoir, faire, and aller. What do we see? Avoir is the only verb having O in it. So, no more letter in front of O, N, T. But all the other three verbs, être, faire, and aller, do not have O in them. So their il or elle will have a letter in front of O, N, T. Therefore, let's draw an underscore in front of O, N, T for être, faire, and aller, but not for avoir.
What is the first letter of être? For je, it's S. So, let's bring that S down. What is être? For ils, elles, sont. Voilà.
So, être for il or elle is sont. Ils sont or elles sont means they are.
Let's go to the next cell.
So what's avoir for il or elle? We've already found out. It's on. So avoir for il or elle is on, ils ont, or elles ont. Means they have or they do have or they're having.
Let's go to the next cell under Faire. What is the first letter of Faire for Il, Elle?
What is the first letter of Faire for Je? It is F. So, let's bring that F down. So, faire for il or elle is font. Ils font or elles font means they do or they are doing, or they make or they do make, or they are making.
Let's go to the next cell, the last cell. So, what's the first letter? Which letter will occupy this place?
What is the first letter of aller for je? It is V. So, let's bring that V down. What is aller for il or elle? Vont. Voilà. So, aller for il or elle is vont. Ils vont or elles vont means they go or they do go or they are going.
They say ils is a mystery, a random V or S, but look back at the J and you'll clean up all the mess. Take the letter from the start, let it bridge the gap across. Suis becomes Sont, now you're never at a loss. Vais become Vont, Fais become Font. It's the J-to-Ils connection, exactly what you want. No more rote, no more fear. The logic is perfect, the pattern is clear. T-cubed, EduVerse, unlocking the code. Voila!
Thank you.